Congratulations are in order for the Gaza boss. Honestly, I never think he'd actually marry her, but he say in a lengthy post on Instagram saying propose in a prison. So then they just feel like he want to do it officially, and we're proud of him. Big up yourself, Kartel. Congratulations to the Palmers. And the post reads, "It's official. One wife," with the ring emoji and a heart. "I propose in prison and in real life. You were there when I needed you most, and I'll never leave you, baby. I cherish all the times you came to visit me and told me that it's going to be okay. I cherish all the times we spoke on the phone and in real life in the box. We laughed together, we cried." So sweet. "We cried together and now we celebrate together. You're my best friend and my companion, and I pray to God we stay together for as long as I live. I love you, baby." And he also made another post where, he took a picture of the ring and said, "God bless this union." Congratulations. I wish them all the best. Aww. As you guys know that there was an update where Crissy had, well, let me not say that, allegedly somebody bailed CMR out of jail. Now I'm seeing this video surfacing where he is walking into the courtroom, holding head down, he looks sad. So for the people that will keep on and say allege, and we are judging, why am I doing a court if you're not guilty? Anyways, you guys check this out and let me know.
I reviewed a probable cause charging affidavit that charges you with little serious behavior with a child. And I do find probable cause. I will appoint the office. Well, actually, this indicates that you don't qualify for the office of public defender. Sir, raise your right hand to be sworn in. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
So this affidavit that I'm looking at says that you have take-home pay of about $55,000 a year, correct?
Say that again?
It says you have take-home pay after taxes of about $55,000 a year.
That's the calculation I made for this year. Per year we were doing, because I'm self-employed, I was doing well, but based on finances, I would see this year.
All right, so you're in jail right now. Do you get any money while you're in jail? Your job?
No, ma'am. What I do is
just yes or no?
Oh, okay. No, ma'am.
All right, and you have VA benefits of $2,500 a month that you're receiving?
Yes, ma'am. And 13 something for schooling, but that ends in when this semester ends, which should be end of this month.
All right, that's the $1,300 you're referring to?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, based on his verbal testimony, I will find that he's got debts of $10,000 and he's incarcerated. He's not earning the income currently. So I will find that he does qualify for the services of a court-appointed attorney, and I'll appoint the Office of the Public Defender to represent him. Thank you. With respect to the charge, sir, of brutal lascivious behavior or molestation, state wish to be heard. Is this, I don't think it's a dangerous crime.
That is correct. We would be motioning the court to help the defendant no bond at this time under Florida Statute 907-041 5D. We would be motioning for $3,000.
I'm going to deny your request. I'm going to set bond, given what I'm reading in the probable cause charging affidavit. And I'm going to set bond, sir, in the sum of $7,500 with special condition that you have no contact whatsoever with a listed victim. That means no contact whatsoever. Directly or indirectly, you will not return to the scene of the offense. You'll maintain separate residences. In other words, you won't be living with the child. Do you understand that?
Roger that.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Your Honor, he's just requesting a one-time return with law enforcement to get his things.
I'll grant that, a one-time return.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I swear.
I hope you heard when the judge said you will not return and you need to live in separate residences. Me open to hear that part there. I hope it's not what I think it is, because resident mean same yard. Anyways, maybe I misunderstood. Somebody help me in that comment section. Tell me what you guys think. So Shibata came out and gave his 2 cents on the situation, and I said, Crissy enable Cushion, but you guys check this out and let me know.
In 8 Crissy, from the time in box her down for the credit card and take the credit card and get to her mate. Crissy no need for come tell we say she in a good relationship. Cause none of we never in a no relationship yet, but Crissy and Queenie. Alright, Crissy, let me tell you something. You say the moment you're a man behaving like this, I'm not touching the little girl, but giving your bone. Males are easily born because their emotion them can't. So you can't blame somebody like a CMR. You have to get help for him. You have to blame the wife who claimed that she is knowledgeable.
Yes, that's what Shibata officer, right? So we see Crissy did make that post with the song where play Chronic Law Empty, and she just a driver going. But listen to the words. Maybe she basically post a song to tell me how she feel about the situation. So I was on this random live, and basically they might play one recording of somebody reviewing the whole case, and the person I say CMR going pan the pitney, or sorry, going they go knock the door and catch the pitney a ground and play with herself. That I didn't excuse. So then all the picture reaching your phone. Look here, no watch this. I'm stressed out.
Exactly, yes. The mother would have cussed her.
You're right, you understand?
Cole said the house is a business place.
That's exactly what that is. That's exactly what it is. Cause them force the poor pitting them in front of camera from them little bit. Don't give them no chance.
From them little bit them in front of camera.
My daughter used to watch her and say, why are they forcing the kids? They don't want to be on the camera. They don't want. For a long time I watched them.
Social media account. He believes the victim is a good kid and is smart and does not cause issues.
Guys, in the power cut the screen for me now.
He was a liar and has stated in the past to family friend that he was concerned that she would make lies against him. He used the example that she once told the police that she did not see Dash hit him, but said she saw him hit Dash and he was arrested for domestic violence. Based on the investigation, Cushion Carter was handcuffed, which were double locked and checked for a proper fit. Cushion was transported to the Apopka Police Department and then to Orange County without incident. My department is your body worn camera once and active for the entire event. So you know what I'm going now. You apply for get the body cam footage so you guys can see the actual interview as to what really going on. So stay tuned for that. So with this last paragraph, you guys can see and hear for yourself. If you now listen, pause the screen and read it for yourself. This is a make up now. Just CMR is a sick boy. CMR is a sick boy that deserve anything when him get. He deserve for them no more, man. Based off of this allegation alone. And if the mother know about it, she should be prosecuted. And she will be prosecuted if the police find out said she already know of the 2 prior incidents. The Jamaican people and to the world hear the excuse that the man give the man saying going to the girl room for wake her up and see her up on the floor and play with herself, the little kid. And him not go call her mother if him do see that. Let's play devil's advocate. If he did see that, he didn't go call the mother and tell the mother say, yo, get your dad.
Full breakdown on CMR's.
Wait, that's his story?
Yes, but he did not.
He really come up with some lie like that?
He wants somebody ox off his head with a piece of ox.
Yo, let me tell you something. And let me tell you, we see a lot of people on this app, and you see a lot of them on this app, they're doing the same thing. A lot of these same big rankers and these other people, they're doing the same.
Not gonna lie, I'm triggered, honestly. Protect our daughter. We have to protect the pitney them. I don't know. I wasn't there, but it not look too good, because if the judge did originally deny him bail, obviously they have some sort of evidence on him. We don't go argue with the court and me say so. But that's it for now, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share. And I'll see you next time. Bye.